Have you ever watched someone who makes money online and thought to yourself, that would never be me? Maybe you've told yourself, I'm not good with tech. I'm too old. I'll probably mess this all up. I don't know what these online business words even mean. If that's you, this video might completely change how you see online businesses, because the biggest obstacle is not technology. The biggest obstacle is this: your mind, believing and telling yourself that you cannot learn it. So today I'm going to show you exactly why you don't need to be tech savvy to learn how to build your own online business. And I'm going to show you the simple 6-step system that we learn and we teach so that you can use it in your everyday life. And I'm also going to share exactly why this is the most beginner-friendly business model that I've ever found in my entire life. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'm going to show you in a beginner-friendly step-by-step way on a whiteboard the entire process that makes everything finally click. And please like this video so that I know that I'm on the right track and somebody is actually learning from my videos. So welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Laiken and I help everyday people to build and grow their own online businesses using a simple to set up system that runs fully automated in the back end. Not because everyone wants to quit their jobs tomorrow, but because I believe that everyone deserves a backup plan. The world is changing. AI is changing jobs. Companies are restructuring and nothing feels guaranteed anymore. Our jobs do not feel safe anymore. Learning digital skills today will be one of the smartest investments you've ever made. Okay, let me tell you a story. Back when I started digital marketing, I honestly had no idea what people were talking about. Funnels, automations, affiliate links, email sequences, and landing pages. Like, what language are you talking? And I honestly remember thinking to myself, I will never know or remember what any of this even means. But here is what I discovered. You do not need to know everything. So what if you don't know what an automation is? I didn't, but I do now, because it works for me in the back end while I'm living my life. So no, my friend, you don't need to know everything. You literally just need to be willing to learn and take one step at a time. And that is exactly why I fell in love with the Legacy Builders program. Everything starts from zero. Nothing is assumed. Every lesson is explained in plain and simple, easy to understand English. Video by video, step by step. No coding, no confusion, no information overload. Just a simple guidance telling you exactly what you need to do every single day. And that is exactly why we have members in their 60s, 70s, and 80s doing this program, because it is so simple and easy to understand. I mean, we have grannies and grandpas who started knowing absolutely nothing about online business, absolutely nothing about their cell phones. Yet today, they have a fully automated system generating income while they are living their lives, while they're making memories. If they can do it, if they can learn it, and so can you, my friend. Now let me show you exactly how this business works, because once you see the process, it becomes so much less intimidating. So when you make your once-off investment into a Legacy Builder program, you get your program, which means you get your product. It's already created. You don't have to create one. It's already built and it's proven to work. And you get the master resale rights to your product, which means that you earn 100% profit on every single sale. And you know what the best part is? Once you've made your very first sale, you've made your money back. And then we help you to discover your message. Who do you want to help? What problems do they have? How can you serve your people, your perfect customer? Instead of trying to sell to everyone, you learn how to speak directly to your perfect customer. Then you start to create content, not spam, not cold messaging people, not cold calling people, not chasing your friends and family. No, you create simple content that educates, that inspires, that builds trust and attracts people to you. You attract your perfect customer to you. That is called attraction marketing. People come looking for you, not the other way around. And when someone enjoys your content and wants to see more, they click on your link, and instead of disappearing forever, they get added to an email list. Just like Temu, just like Shein, you're added to an email list. You get emails from them. You grow an email list, and that is one of the biggest assets that any online business can have, because social media can disappear tomorrow, but your email list belongs to you. And then every week we have a live free webinar for interested clients. Anyone. You invite your clients to this free live webinar so that you don't have to explain the whole business by yourself. The presentation does the work for you. And once everything is connected, your fully automated system does everything for you. Your clients watch the webinar and the system takes that client through the sales process for you. They make a decision, the system processes everything. You only set it up once. And it does everything for you. And it continues to bring new people to your business. That is the beauty of automations. And you want to know what the best part is? You're not just building an online business. You're learning high income skills that you will use for years. Marketing, content creation, attraction marketing, email marketing, brand building, AI tools, automations, skills that are becoming more valuable every single year. This is honestly the most beginner-friendly online business that I have ever seen. Why? Because you don't need to create a product. They've already created it for you. You don't need to build an expensive website. They give you a website that's 90% set up already. You literally just need to connect your domain and your payment gateways. You don't need to be a tech expert. Every single week, you get live training, marketing training, tech support, and 60,000 people around the world willing to help you. You don't need to figure it all out alone. You get lifetime access to this incredible community. And this isn't just theory. This system has already created 30 South African millionaires, not to mention the thousands of 6- and 7-figure earners worldwide. This system works. The question is, are you willing to learn? Are you willing to commit? Now, I want to show you something that happened in May. Our 30th South African millionaire, Romilda, posted her post announcing her first million. I'm going to put it up on screen. She says, made my first R1 million in SA in legacy in 15 months. Now, here's the part that really stood out to me. She didn't say that she was some marketing expert. She didn't say that she was a tech genius. She simply shared that she started on the 8th of January 2025, not knowing what her future would look like. She went through personal challenges. She spent about 8 months away from her business. And despite all of that, she still achieved her first R1 million. Now, I don't know about you, but this tells me something very important. Success isn't about being perfect. Success isn't about having perfect circumstances. It's about following a proven system and refusing to give up. I mean, just look at what she says. I am another mom with a testimonial that this program, this business changes lives, and it changed mine. This made me debt-free. I am so proud. All glory to my Jesus. I absolutely love that, because that is exactly what this community is filled with. Ordinary people, everyday people, parents, people working jobs, people looking for a better future, people who decided to start. And when people ask me, but does this actually work? I don't have to convince anyone. The stories speak for themselves. Now, does that mean that everyone who joins this program becomes a millionaire? Of course not. Like any real business, it still takes commitment. It still takes consistency. It still takes learning new skills and takes following the system, step by step. And what stories like Romilda's show us is that ordinary people can really build extraordinary results when they stay on the course. And honestly, that is truly inspiring. Technology isn't the barrier. Age isn't the barrier. Experience is not the barrier. The real barrier is you convincing yourself that you can't do it before you even start. Every expert was once a beginner. The only difference is they started. So if this video gave you just a little bit of hope, please hit that like button because it helps my channel to reach the people who really need to hear my message. And subscribe if you would like to see more simple videos about building an online business, learning AI, and creating more options for your future. And if you would like to learn the exact system that I'm following, that Romilda is following, and so many others, click on the link below to get your free guide that shows you exactly step by step how to get started. And I do love to hear from you, so please let me know down in the comments, what is your biggest fear about starting an online business? Because I would like to personally create a video to encourage you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.